Hello friends, today I'm going to talk about view and counter view. But before I actually talk about view and counter view, I would like to give you an example of debate which can help you understand better what is view and counter view. Dear friends, you would have seen debate on the television or maybe in a reality too. What happens at the time of the debate? Normally one topic is given and there are two teams. When one team talks in favor of the given topic, whereas the another team opposes the given topic, and it keeps going, and finally they come to the conclusion. There are certain similarities between view counter views and the debate, yet there is one basic difference too. When we think of a debate or when we see debate, we experience both the sides of the given point, both the sides of the given topic are taken into consideration, and it keeps going. But when you write view or counter view, you'll have to consider just one side of it. If you are said to write views, you'll have to talk in favor of the given topic, and if you are said to write counter view, you'll have to oppose the given topic. And in both of the cases, you'll have to prove how correct you are. So this is the main thing which should be taken into consideration while writing view or counter view. Normally when the question is given, you are given a view, you are given a topic. Below that, viewpoints are given. Based on the viewpoints, you are expected to frame your own points which can be suitable for the counter view, as most of the times you are said to write counter view in examinations. So as I said before, based on the given points which are normally viewpoints, you have to frame your own points which can be suitable for counter views, and then you must keep on writing. I tell you one thing here, if you are said to write counter view, you will be writing in opposition of the given point. We'll take example now. Should mobile phones be allowed in school? If this is the topic given, I repeat, should mobile phones be allowed in school? And you are said to write counter view. You will be writing against the given topic. You will not be supporting it. You will be trying to convince that mobile phones should not be given in a school. And then after you will be talking about the disadvantage of such thing. Actually that will be the way to prove that how correct you are. This is expected to be written in one para, or sometimes you can make two paragraphs too. Of course, title is must. Title must be given at the top. Suitable title has to be given. You'll have to think logically, and you'll have to present your opinions there in proper order. You'll have to, of course, avoid grammar mistakes. And if you cover all the points, if you write in proper order, your presentation is well, then surely you will get 5 out of 5.